In today's video, let me teach you how to import contacts to Proton Mail. Whether you're trying to upload a CSV file or just import contacts from a different email provider such as Gmail or Outlook, you can also do that. So in order to import the contacts, head over to the contact section, which you'll be able to find on the top right of your screen. It will also say contacts. Just click on this option and then click on import contacts on the bottom. As I said, you can either import from other email service providers. Just click on the email service provider that you have, whether it be Outlook or Google. Just click on one of these options. Make sure contacts is selected. Click on start import, and then you'll need to log into your account. This way, all of your contacts that are available either on Google or Outlook will be automatically imported. Other than this, if you're trying to upload a CSV or vCard file that has all of your list, you can click on this option and then import it from your desktop. Just select the file that you're trying to import. Will be imported instantly. Just click on the import button and it's going to show you what needs to display and what not. You can just uncheck the names that you don't want to display or the sections that you don't want to display and then click on import. Once you're done, click on close and there you go. All of your data now has been imported right inside of the contact section. You can repeat the same process if you have a larger data, or you can also add in other files as well. So that was the exact tutorial on the way that you can import contacts in Proton Mail. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you guys are interested in more future videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.